everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When we talk about a beautiful garden shed design, we aren't just talking about a place to stash your rusty lawnmower and old flower pots. A truly beautiful shed is a deliberate extension of your home's soul. It is a harmonious structure that balances architectural aesthetics with the natural surrounding landscape. It represents a destination within your own property, a focal point that draws the eye and invites curiosity. Whether it's a rustic cottage style or a sleek modern studio, a beautiful design means the structure complements the textures of your plants, the colors of your blooms, and the overall rhythm of your outdoor living space. It is the bridge between man-made utility and botanical beauty. Investing in a high-quality, beautiful garden shed offers rewards that go far beyond simple organization. Beyond the obvious benefit of decluttering your garage, a well-designed shed significantly boosts your property's curb appeal and market value, acting as a bonus room that captures the imagination of future buyers. Mentally and emotionally, these structures serve as a private retreat, a she shed, man cave, or art studio, offering a quiet sanctuary away from the chaos of the main house. Because they are designed to be beautiful, they encourage you to spend more time outdoors, fostering a deeper connection with your garden and providing a picturesque backdrop for backyard gatherings. It transforms a mundane utility into a source of daily inspiration and pride. Decorating your shed is where you can truly let your personality shine and turn a wooden box into a masterpiece. Start from the ground up by creating a welcoming pathway to discovery, using flagstones, gravel, or vintage bricks that lead the eye to the entrance. Soften the harsh lines of the structure by installing window boxes overflowing with trailing petunias or ivy, and consider adding a trellis to the side walls to encourage climbing roses or clematis to hug the building. Color is your best friend here. Choose a palette that either blends into the greenery with earthy sages and forest greens or pops against it with creamy whites or periwinkle blues. Don't forget the small details. Antique hardware, a decorative weather vane on the roof, and soft outdoor lighting or fairy lights can transform the shed into a magical glowing lantern once the sun goes down. The materials you choose are the foundation of your shed's beauty and its ability to withstand the elements. For a timeless, organic look, natural woods like cedar or redwood are top-tier choices because they offer built-in resistance to rot and insects while smelling absolutely divine. If you prefer low maintenance without sacrificing style, modern composite materials and engineered wood siding provide the look of real timber with much higher durability against moisture. For the roof, consider architectural shingles for a traditional look, or a standing seam metal roof in forest green or charcoal for a sleek, contemporary vibe that sounds wonderful during a rainstorm. For those seeking the ultimate eco-beauty, a living green roof covered in succulents and moss not only provides incredible insulation, but makes the structure look like it grew right out of the earth itself. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best beautiful garden shed design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the Gothic Greenhouse Sanctuary. This breathtaking design features a steep, pointed gable roof and a stunning stained glass mosaic above the door that depicts a colorful landscape. Its muted gray-blue siding and yellow trim provide a sophisticated palette that allows the vibrant potted plants visible through the large glass panes to take center stage. 2. The English Country Wood Store Cottage. A masterclass in functional charm, this cream-colored shed features a scalloped gingerbread trim along the roofline and a built-in side alcove perfectly sized for stacking firewood. The arched window in the door and the traditional shingle roof make it look like a tiny, cozy home nestled right in the middle of a manicured lawn. 3. The whimsical storybook witch's hut. With its delightfully crooked lines, oversized chimney, and steeply pitched roof, this shed looks like it was plucked straight from a fairy tale. The dark wood vertical siding and round Hobbit-style window create a sense of mystery and magic, making it the perfect focal point for a wild cottage-style garden. 4. The classic American craftsman workshop. This sturdy and handsome design utilizes rich, warm wood horizontal siding paired with a striking emerald green metal roof. The wraparound pergola detail and the multiple grid windows provide plenty of natural light, making it as practical for woodworking as it is beautiful to look at. 5. The Hobbit Hole Living Roof Retreat. An incredible feat of earth-sheltered design. This shed features a massive sloping roof completely covered in lush green grass and wildflowers. The open-faced triangular entry reveals a cozy seating area inside, blurring the lines between architecture and the rolling hills of the backyard. 6. The Japanese-inspired Zen Pavilion. Drawing from Eastern architecture, this shed boasts a distinctive flared roofline with deep eaves and exposed timber framing. The warm cedar tones and the minimalist garden surroundings create a peaceful, meditative atmosphere that feels both high-end and deeply grounded in nature. 7. The Modernist Glass Cube Studio. For the contemporary gardener, this sleek structure uses large floor-to-ceiling glass panels and a flat, translucent roof to maximize transparency. The minimalist white frame and the raised foundation give it a floating appearance, perfect for a clean, architectural landscape. 8. The Urban Industrial Monolith. This design features a unique asymmetrical roofline and vertical lightwood slatting, interrupted by a bold, silver-framed pop-out window. It perfectly blends industrial materials with natural textures, making it an ideal choice for a modern home looking for a stylish backyard office or studio. 9. The Victorian Stone-Based Conservatory. A truly elegant structure, this greenhouse-style shed sits atop a beautiful dry-stack stone wall. The dark forest green metal framing and the ornate cresting along the roof ridge evoke a sense of 19th-century luxury, providing a crystal-clear view of the botanical treasures kept inside. 10. The Cape Cod Shingle-Style Playload. This classic design features light-colored cedar shingles and a charming dormer window on the roof. With its deep brown door white trim and a window box full of flowers, it offers a timeless coastal aesthetic that feels welcoming and perfectly scaled for a family backyard. As we've seen today, a garden shed can be so much more than a place to hide your tools. It can be the crown jewel of your outdoor space. Whether you're drawn to the whimsical charm of a storybook cottage or the clean lines of a modern glass studio, the right design will inspire you to get outside and enjoy your garden in a whole new way. Your backyard is a canvas, and the shed is often the most important brushstroke you'll make. If you enjoyed these design ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for your weekly dose of outdoor inspiration. Which of these 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your dream shed project. Also, check the description for a link to our free shed style guide to help you start planning your own backyard transformation today.